Hello, are you done?
Yes,
Traces?
none.
Casualties?
Well, not yet, but if I don't get the money on time, then there might be a few.
Alright, I understand. Um, you will get it by 7 p.m. tonight. In the place we discussed. Don't worry.
Hmm.
Hello, sir. Yeah, when are we opening the truck tonight?
7 p.m. No, make it 6 p.m. Let me prepare the special meat for the night. You do one thing. Bring that placard on the way, which has all the combos and the discount offers written on it. The queue is going to be pretty long tonight.
And about my.
This was my first attempt at an audio story. As you can see that it was pretty short. I had to keep it because there was a time constraint. I had to do it as an assignment for my university. I believe that it served as a good character introduction for someone that I have sketched out for a wider universe. It can be made into a web series or feature film later, but that's for a later thing. Do let me know in the comments what you think about this audio story if you want more audio stories for our channel. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned.